Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope your Friday was a good one. It was another warm one out there. In fact, hot one out there today. But as we take a look outside our weather window up in Okanogan County at our Billy Goat Sky-Fi Tower camera, haze. And that was our story here to the south as well in the Wenatchee Valley, and plenty of that up north too. Our air quality though wasn't terrible, between 60 and 80. That was our number generally in our viewing area, which is moderate. So by no means was it good today, but it wasn't unhealthy for sensitive groups. And it looks like that's going to continue into our Saturday and Sunday, also continuing very hot temperatures. In fact, we could set records tomorrow with highs between 94 and 102. Our record tomorrow is 93 degrees. And then on Sunday, we're talking 90 to 98 degrees. Our record once again on Sunday also at 93 degrees. So a good chance for that. But that smoky haze, it did keep our temperature down just a little bit today, 96 unofficially, and that was 1 degree shy of our record that was set in 2020 of 97 degrees. Look at our normal, 80 right now, so we were 16 degrees above where we should be this afternoon. 64 our low this morning, very mild out there. 56 is where we should be, and 44 our record low set way back in 1960. Sunrise 6:27, and the sun sets tonight at 7:30. All right, getting you into those hot Saturday temperatures. Look at that, the century mark for Moses Lake, Ephrata, and Quincy, all record high temperatures tomorrow. And if we see all of these upper 90s, rather 99s, those will be records as well for our Saturday. 100 for Omak, 97 in Leavenworth, and you're not going to escape the heat in Lake Wenatchee either. Your high temperature tomorrow afternoon, 94 degrees. The reason, we'll talk about that in a second, but let's get to tomorrow right away. And this will be in effect for Sunday as well. Heat advisory, and that's in this yellowish gold area for all of north central and eastern Washington, where we just talked about those record highs are possible. So be careful if you are outdoors over the next couple of days. Find some shade and drink plenty of fluids. Tonight we expect mostly clear skies, upper area of high pressure in control of our weather. We will see more of those hazy skies tonight with low temperatures. Very nice, around 70 degrees for our overnight low. And then the weekend, we will see mostly sunny skies on Saturday. Record highs are possible. This area of low pressure will produce a few high clouds on Saturday, but we're talking highs near 100 on Saturday, and that goes for a scorching hot west coast to kick off our weekend. On Sunday, mostly sunny skies. Once again, maybe a few of those high clouds out there. We're talking highs in the mid-90s. Remember, our record highs for Saturday and Sunday, 93. So I think we'll beat both of those highs this weekend. On Monday, some high clouds out there. We're still going to be plenty warm for this time of year as we kick off our next work week. High temperatures again into those low 90s. We could even see some mid-90s as you move over into eastern Washington. For Tuesday then, a lot going on out in the Pacific as a little trough of low pressure forms. That'll bring some high clouds, partly cloudy for Tuesday and cooler. High temperatures only in the mid-70s for highs on Tuesday. Getting into Wednesday, partly cloudy and mild. High temperatures again, somewhere in those mid-70s. So it is really going to cool down as we get you into next week. And then by the end of our forecast on Thursday, we are talking once again some high clouds out there. We'll call it mostly sunny for Thursday, maybe breezy in the afternoon as another area of high pressure begins to build, with highs on Thursday in the mid to upper 70s. So a big cool down on the way. Tonight 69 overnight, 99 our high temperature tomorrow. That would be a record. 95 on Sunday would also be a record high. 93 is our record for both days. 91 on Monday before we begin that cool down. Tuesday, partly cloudy and cooler. High temperatures in the mid-80s. And then by Wednesday and Thursday, a mix of clouds and sun. Temperatures actually slightly below normal, with highs both days in the mid to upper 70s. And that's a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.